see in front of me iPhone SE 2022, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my Touch ID here on our device home button, and now as can you see, I can unlock the device with my fingerprint. So I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device, and we'll see how this unlock method is fast and does it works here. So let's start. As can you see, I just simply touch the home button, and we got here the message that the device unlocked. And when you will just press home button, so then you'll launch the just home screen of your device. So as can you see, that's simply a really simple touch by this way. Just so look, and device is unlocked. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the Touch ID, the fingerprint scanner, just works really fast here. So we can just unlock the device with a really simple touch to our home button. And I think that's really cool feature and unlock method to unlock your device, because it just takes a couple of seconds. So, and you shouldn't enter here any passwords and passcodes, but be sure always that you got clean the home button here and your fingers just to Touch ID to work more faster and correct. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.